Find the equation of the circle through the point 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. We know that the equation of the circle passing through three non-collinear points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is determined x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 into x square plus y square plus c1, c2, c3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 into x plus x1, x2, x3, c1, c2, c3, 1, 1, 1 into y plus x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. Right? This is the condition. Right? Where Ci, c1, c2, c3 are minus x1 square plus y1 square, that is minus x2 square plus y2 square minus x3 square y3 square. Right? So given points are, take x1, y1 equal to 1, 0, x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, 0 and x3, y3 is equal to 0, 1. So the equation is, so x1 substituting the values 1, minus 1, 0 first determinant column, 0, 0, 1 second column, third column 1, 1, 1 into x square plus y square plus second determinant c1, c2, c3 first column, second column 0, 0, 1, third column 1, 1, 1 into x, third determinant plus first column 1, minus 1, 0 c1, c2, c3 1, 1, 1 into y. Then last determinant first column 1, minus 1, 0 0, 0, 1 c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. Now we are going to calculate c1, c2, c3 using the formula CA is equal to minus of xi square plus yi square. Now c1 equal to minus x1 square plus y1 square, that is equal to minus 1 square, that is minus 1. c2 is equal to minus x2 square plus y2 square, that is minus of minus 1 square, that is also minus 1. And c3 equal to minus x3 square plus y3 square, that is equal to minus of 0 square plus 1 square, that is also minus 1. Substituting these values in the above determinant. So the equation is first determinant 1, minus 1, 0 0, 0, 1 1, 1, 1 into x square plus y square plus we are substituting the values of c1, c2, c3. First column minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, second column 0, 0, 1 1, 1, 1 into x plus third determinant first column 1, minus 1, 0, second column minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, then third column 1, 1, 1 into y plus last determinant first column 1, minus 1, 0 0, 0, 1 second column, third column minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to simplify the determinants, right? So first one, so 1 into, just we are doing the taking, so leaving first row and first column, take remaining 4 numbers, then do the cross multiplication. So 0 into 1 minus, you put minus, then minus 1 into 1, right, like that. Then choose the second element in the first row. In that case you have to put minus instead of that, because 0 into something 0, so minus or plus no problem, right? Then third, you choose the third element and the remaining 4 numbers. So we know how to solve the determinant, right? Using that, so you will get 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 0 into minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 into x square plus y square, right? Then second one, so taking that minus outside, right? So minus is common in the first column, so minus 1, 1, 1 0, 0, 1 1, 1, 1 into x. Similarly in the third determinant second column you are having minus, take it outside, so minus of determinant 1, minus 1 0 1, 1, 1 1, 1, 1 into y. Then solving the last determinant, so 1 into 0 into minus 1, right, 0, then minus of 1 into minus 1 plus 1, then minus 0 into 1 into minus 0 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 equal to 0. So we will get minus 1 minus 1 x square plus y square minus, because in the determinant, see above determinant, right, the two columns are identical, into x, right? So first column and third column, so value is 0, right? Similarly the third determinant, you are having second column and third column are equal, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so that value also 0. So 0 into x, 0 into y plus 1 in 1 plus 1. So you will get minus 2 into x square plus y square plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is the required equation of the circle. So we are doing in another method. Let the required equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, general form of the circle. That is equation number 1. Given required circle, 1 passes through the point 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So these 3 points will satisfy equation 1. So one by one we will substitute the values, right? Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 in 1. So you will get 1 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0. So first equation 1 plus 2g plus c equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Then put the second point. Put x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 0 in 1. So minus 1 square plus 0 square plus 2g into minus 1 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0. Now next equation 1 minus 2g plus c equal to 0. That is third equation. Then last point. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in 1. 0 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. Then we will get 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. That is the fourth equation. Now we are going to solve 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to find the value of f, g and c. Right? So first 2 plus 3. So adding 2 and 3. Adding corresponding coefficients of the terms or corresponding terms. So first 1 plus 1, 2g minus 2g plus c plus c. So 2g minus 2g get cancel. 2 plus 2c equal to 0. So c equal to minus 1. Right? Put c is equal to minus 1 in second equation. So 2g 1 plus 2g minus 1 equal to 0. So 2g is equal to 0. G is equal to 0. Put c is equal to minus 1 in fourth equation. So 1 plus 2f minus 1 equal to 0. 2f equal to 0. Therefore f is equal to 0. So g 0, f 0, c equal to minus 1. So substituting the values in the required equation, that is equation number 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into 0x plus 2 into 0y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is another way, right? So next method, third method, to find the center of the required. First we have to find the center of the required circle. So let the center required circle, the center be. So we take the center as C A comma B. Coordinates are A comma B. The point P 1 comma 0, first point. Second point we are just for the our reference we are indicating first point as P 1 comma 0. We are giving name to the points Q minus 1 comma 0 and R 0 comma 1. All are lies on the circle, right? So the distance from the center C to P, right? C to Q, C to R, all are nothing but the radius of the circle, correct? So here C A comma B, first point, second point, third point. So these distance are nothing but radius, all are equal. Now CP is equal to CQ. This implies we are using the distance formula, right? We know C A comma B and P also we know P is 1 comma 0. So using the distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square within the square root. So you will get A minus 1 the whole square plus B minus 0 the whole square within the square root. So that is equal to CQ. C is A comma B again and Q is minus 1 comma 0. So A minus minus 1 square plus B minus 0 the whole square, right? So we will get a root of A square minus 2A plus 1 plus B square equal to A square plus 1 plus 2A plus B square. So squaring on both sides you will get A square minus 2A plus 1 plus B square equal to A square plus 1 plus 2A plus B square. So we are removing the square roots. So we can cancel A square and A square, left and right we can cancel. B square also get cancelled, right? 1 also get cancelled, right? Right? So we are taking that minus 2A to the right hand side. You will get, already you are having 2A on the right side. So 2a plus 2a, which is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 0, right? Next we need to find b, right? That is equation number 1. So Cp is equal to Cr, next combination. So using the distance formula, root of a minus 1 the whole square plus b minus 1 the whole square. So squaring on both sides, right? So now we are using a minus b whole square formula on both sides. So a square minus 2a plus 1 plus b square equal to root of a square plus b square minus 2b plus 1, right? So squaring both sides, you will get a square minus 2a plus 1 plus b square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2b plus 1. Similarly, you can cancel a square on both sides, b square on both sides, 1 on both sides. So minus 2a is equal to minus 2b. So put a is equal to 1 also. So you will get b also equal to 0 because a is 0. So the center of the circle is 0, 0. So now to find the radius of the required circle. So radius is nothing but Cp, any distance. Cp is equal to Cr, any distance you can take. Cp is equal to, so AB we know. So root of 0 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, that is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. Therefore the required equation is, so if you know center is h comma k and radius r, the equation of the circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here 0 0 h comma k, right? H comma k center, right? And radius 1. Substituting that one, say required circle x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to 1 square. Therefore the required circle is x square plus y square equal to 1, right? Thanks.